Hello everyone. Fluid mechanics. Subject is fluid mechanics. 18 CV 33. Model 2. Session 2. Topic is hydrostatic pressure on surfaces. So earlier slides explain in the vertical plane surface submerged in the liquid. In this slides session, horizontal plane surface submerged in the liquid. So consider plane horizontal surface immersed in a static fluid. Static means no motions, has no flow. So as every point of the surface is at the same depth, every point of the surface, this surface is same depth. Then at the same depth from the free surface of the liquid, the pressure intensity will be equal to the entire surface of the liquid, and surface and equal to the pressure is equal to rho gh, where h is depth of surface. A is total area of the surface, then total force of on the surface is equal to, so pressure is equal to force per area, and then force is equal to pressure into area. So rho g into h into a, that is rho g a h bar. So h is equal to h bar, that here. Then h bar is the distance depth of the cg from free surface of the liquid. H is equal to h. Here h bar is equal to h and h star is equal to h. H star is the depth of the center of the pressure from free surface of the liquid. So here one example is given, 3.17 as shown in figure. So tank full of water. Find the total pressure on the bottom of the tank. So weight of the water in the tank. Hydrostatic pressure paradox. One is total pressure on the bottom of the tank. Second one is weight of the water in the tank. Third one is hydrostatic paradox between the results. We have to prove the whether it which we have to explain. We have to say that hydrostatic paradox between the results one and width of the tank is 2 meter. So here given in the figure, the bottom width is for 4 meter, width is 4 meter, and length is 4 meter, and depth is width is for 2 meter, thickness is zero point 0.6 bottom tank, and above tank this is the 3 meter, height is 3 meter, zero point 4 is the width, thickness, and depth is width is 2 meter. So that depth of the water on the bottom of the tank H1 is equal to 3 plus 0.6, 3.6, H1 is 0.3, 3.6. Width of the tank is 2 meter. Length of the tank at the bottom is 4 meter. Then area of the bottom is at the bottom tank is at the bottom is this 4 into this width is 2 meter. 4 into 2 is area. So 8 weight square meter. Then total pressure force on the bottom is rho g ah bar. So rho g 1000 into 9.81 into 8 into 3.6. 2,82,528 Newton. So total pressure force is 2,82,528. So weight of the water in the tank. So weight of the water is rho g into volume, then density into volume. So volume of the tank is 9.81 into 1000 into 3.3 into this 3 into 0.4 thickness, and width is 2 meter. Second tank is 2 into 4 into this 4 into 0.6 into 2 meter. Total volume is this. So 70,632 Newton is the weight of the water tank. Then from the result, the 1 and 2, it is observed that the total weight of the water in the tank is this total water of the tank is 70,632, and pressure force is 2,82,000. So it is much less than the total pressure at the bottom of the tank. Weight of the tank water is in the weight of the water in the tank is much less than the total pressure on the bottom of the tank. This is known as hydrostatic paradox. So inclined plane surface submerged in liquid. So here this is free surface of the liquid. So it is inclined plane surface. Uh, it is inclined plane surface. Inclined plane surface. This is free surface of the liquid. Consider plane surface of the arbitrary shape immersed in the liquid in such a way that the plane of the surface makes an angle of theta. Plane is makes an angle of this theta. This is free surface of the liquid. This is theta with the free surface of the liquid as shown in figure. So this is arbitrary shape of the plate. So it is immersed in the water. So A is the total area of the inclined surface. So this is the inclined surface of the total area of the plate. Then H bar is the depth of the CG from inclined area of the free surface. So this h bar is this h bar. So CG of the inclined free surface, then S star is the center of the distance center of the pressure from free surface of the liquid, and theta is the angle made by the plane surface of the free surface of the liquid. This is theta. Let the plane of the surface, if produce made the free liquid surface at O. That is, O is the axis of the perpendicular plane of the surface. If produced made the free liquid surface at, let the plane of the surface produce at the free surface. This is the this line O. So perpendicular to the this plane. So this y bar is the distance of the CG of the inclined surface from O. So this y bar, this is y bar, this is y bar. Then y star is the distance of center of the pressure from O. Consider the small strip area dA at the depth h. So this is small strip. This small strip dA and distance at h. This is h is height is h. Then here pressure at the distance from y. Sorry, h at the distance of y from the axis of O. Pressure intensity on strip is P is equal to rho gh. Pressure force dF is equal to P pressure into total force is equal to pressure into area. So rho gh into dA. Integration of dF is rho gh into dA. So here h by y is equal to h bar by y is s star by y is equal to sin theta. So here h bar by y bar, then s star by y star, then h by y is equal to sin theta. So instead of h, we have to write y sin theta. Instead of h bar, we have to write y bar sin theta. Instead of a star, we have to write here y only change will be y star sin theta. So remaining will be same. So here you have to substitute s star is equal to y bar sin theta. So or y bar sin theta is equal to s star. So center of the pressure is pressure force on the strip at dF rho g h into dA, rho g y into sin theta dA. So here h is equal to y sin theta. So moment of force dF about the axis O. So instead of h, here we are going to submit y sin theta. So dF into y. So O is dF into y, rho g y sin theta into dA into this. This is dF into y. So dF you have to substitute the dF in rho g y sin theta dA into y. So rho g sin theta y square into dA. Sum of the moments of all the such forces about O. So integration of this, sum of the moments also all the forces means we have to make it integration sin theta square y square into dA. So this rho g sin theta take outside and integrate y square into dA. So integration of y square dA is equal to is moment of inertia of the surface about the O is I naught. Sum of the moments of all the force about O is rho g sin theta I naught. So instead of y square dA, instead integration, we have to write I naught. Moment of the total force is equal to O is also given by force into y star. Total force. Force is total force into y star. The y star is the distance of the center of the pressure from 0 O. Equating the two values given by the equation 3.7 and 3.8. This is both we have to equate and we'll get the y star rho g sin theta by I naught by f. So y star is equal to h star by sin theta. So y star is equal to h star by sin theta. So then we know the y star is equal to s star by sin theta. So then f is equal to rho g ah bar. Then I naught by theorem parallel axis ig plus ah square bar. Then substituting these values in the equations s star by so y star is equal to y s star by sin theta. So rho g sin theta by a rho g ah bar plus in bracket ig plus a y square bar. So this finally S star is equal to, so this S star is equal to sin square theta by h bar ig plus a into s square by s square bar by sin square theta. So finally S star is equal to, instead of this S star is equal to ig sin square theta by h bar plus h bar. Here if theta is 90 degree, so it will becomes this equation in 3.1 equation becomes so vertical plane submerged surface which is applicable to. So if it is theta is 90 degree, this equation is applicable to vertical plane surface submerged in the liquid. So here one example will be there. So rectangular plane surface, it is in the figure. So plane surface 2 meter wide. This is 2 meter wide plane rectangular plane surface and 3 meter deep lies in the water in such a way that and that its plane makes an angle of 30 degree. This is 30 degree. This plane is make an angle of 30 degree with the free surface of water. Determine the total pressure and position of the center of the pressure when upper edge is 1.5 meter below the free water surface. So this is 1.5 meter below this plane surface is rectangular plane surface is 1.5 meter below the free surface. Upper edge is this upper edge is this upper edge is 1.5 meter below the free surface, 1.5 meter below from the free surface of the liquid. So distance from the upper edge from free surface is 1.5 meter. That the total pressure force is rho g A h bar. Then rho is density of water. Then kg 1000 kg per 1000 kg per cubic meter. Area 3 into 2 6 square meter. H bar is 1.5 plus this 1.5 1.5 this EB B 1.5 plus B that 1.5 sin theta. So EB or BB B. So H bar is equal to AE plus EB 1.5 plus BG sin theta sin theta. So it will be 2.25 meter. So then H bar is 2.25. Then total force is so 1000 into 9.81 rho g into area into H bar. So 2.25. This is 1,32,435 Newton. So then center of the pressure S star is equal to using this equation. So S star is Ig sin square theta by H bar plus H bar. So Ig is the rectangular surface, plane surface, BDQ by 12. Ig is equal to BDQ by 12. This is 4.5 km raised to 4. So substitute the Ig value in the equations. S star is equal to 4.5 into sin square theta by sin square 30 divided by 6 degree 30 theta is 30 degrees E1. Area is 6 and H bar is 2.25. So that S star is equal to 2.333 meter. So H bar is 2.25. H star is 2.33. So it is always higher than the H bar. So below the higher means below the H bar. So then rectangular plane surface 3 meter wide and 4 meter deep lies in the water in such a way that it is in plane makes an angle of 30 degree with the free surface of the water. Determine the total pressure of the force and position of the center of the pressure when the upper edge is 2 meter below the free surface. This is same as earlier examples. Only thing is depth of the water and size is changed. So remaining details are same. So only B is 3 meter, for D is 4 meter, theta is same. Then distance of the upper edge from the free surface is 2 meter. So here force is rho g H bar. So H bar is here 3 meter. Then total force is 353.16 kilo 167 kilonewton. Then center of the pressure is Ig S star is equal to Ig into sin square theta by AH bar plus H bar, which Ig is BDQ by 12, same rectangular. So it is 16 km raised to 4. Then H is H star is equal to 16 into this Ig is 16, then sin square theta 30 degree. Area is 12 into 3 plus 3 is 3.11. So this H bar is 3 meter, then H star is 3.11. It is always higher than the H bar. So then another example, say a circular plate 3 meter diameter is immersed in the water in such a way that it is greatest and least depth of the below. Greatest and least depth below the free surface are 4 meter and 1.5 meter respectively. So this is greatest is the 4 meter. So least depth is the 1.5 meter respectively. They determine the total pressure on one face of the plate and position of the center of the pressure. So we have to find out the if circular plate immersed in the water. So if it is static, it is static water. Dia is given 3 meter and area you have to calculate and this is DC. So DC is 1.5 meter and EB is the 4 meter. Then B is the 4 meter. Distance CC from the free surface. H bar is equal to this H bar is this is the H bar and CC is the H bar. So this CG is equal to CD plus then CD this CD plus GC CD plus GC sin theta the CD plus this GC sin theta this is CG this is H bar is equal to this is CD plus this is GC sin theta is equal to so sin theta is 0.833 H bar is equal to 2.749. Then total pressure force to F is equal to rho g H bar. H bar is 2.749. So this is totally 1,90,621 Newton. center of the pressure S star. So this is very simple. Only thing you have to substitute the value in the equations. So we have to find out here total pressure force F and total center of the pressure the S star. So S star is if it is inclined, it is Ig sin square theta by H bar plus H bar. Here Ig is circular plane surface, so pi by 4 into d square. So d raised to 4. So this value will be 3.976 m raised to 4. So S star is 2.8891. So S star is 2.891. Then H bar is 2.749. It is higher than the H bar. So another examples, if the above problem, the given circular plate is having a concentric circular wall of diameter 1.5 meter. So this wall is 1.5 meter. Calculate the total pressure and position of the center of the pressure on one face of the plate. So here D is the dia is 3 meter, outer D is 3 meter. Area of the solid plate is so this much. Dia of the hole is 1.5. So area of the hole is this much, and the area of the given plate is so this area. Area of the given plate is this, and distance of CD. This CD is 1.5 meter. So 1.5 meter. Then B is 4 meter. So only thing, same examples, above examples, remaining will be same. So distance of CG from the surface, H bar is 80 plus GC sin theta. So H bar is 2.75. Total pressure force is equal to this 143.018 kilonewton. Then position of the center of the pressure S star is equal to. So apply the same formula, and Ig is 4 by 4 into d raised to minus 4 minus of d naught raised to 4. So inner dia and outer dia, outer we have to 3, outer dia is 3 meter and inner dia is 1.5 meter. So this is value will be 2.7. Sorry, then theta H bar is value is 2.75. Then S bar is equal to, so we have to substitute the Ig, then and this 2 point plus 2.75. So this will be around 2.927. So curved surface submerged in liquid. So you consider a curved surface AB. This is curved surface. Curved surface. So AB. This is AB. So submerged in static fluid as shown in figure. This let dA is the area of the small strip. So this is the small strip. This is the dA. dA. Then at the depth of H. At the depth of H from water surface. So this the pressure intensity on the area of dA is equal to rho g h, and pressure force is dF is equal to P into area. So rho g h into dA. So this force, so dF acting normal to the surface. So this is here acting, the force is normal to the free surface, normal to the surface. Hence total pressure force on the curve. This is curve surface should be F is equal to rho g into H dA. So here taken outside in the strip in the triangular shape. So this is dA, this is theta, this is A G E. So this is dA sin theta, and dA, this is what this is dA cos theta. But here the direction of the forces on the small area are not in the same directions, but varies from point to point. Hence integration of equation 3.11 for curved surface is impossible. The problem can be, however, be solved by resolving the force dF in two components. That is x and y, dF x, force xy, x and dFy in the x and y direction respectively. The total force in the x and y directions, Fx and Fy, are obtained by integrating dfx and dfy. The total force on the curved surface is F is equal to under root of Fx square plus Fy square. So inclination resultant with horizontal is tan phi is equal to Fy by Fx. Then resolving the force is equal to, given by the equation 3.11 in x and y direction is equal to this 3.11 equation, this equation x and y direction is equal to, though dfx is equal to df sin theta or rho g h dA into sin theta. Df is equal to rho g h into dA. So dfy is equal to df cos theta. So dfy is equal to df cos theta, rho g h into dA cos theta. Yeah, dA into cos theta. So here the force x and y directions are, for fx is equal to dfx is equal to this rho g take outside and h dA sin theta. So here also fy rho g take outside h dA cos theta. So here ef is equal to dA and eg is equal to dA sin theta. In the figure, eg is equal to dA sin dA cos theta. So thus this equation is 3.1 for dA sin theta is equal to F is equal to vertical projections area of the dA, and hence the expression of rho g into H dA sin theta represent the total pressure force on the projected area. This is total pressure of projected area of the curved surface on the vertical plane. Thus, the Fx total pressure force on the projected area of the curved surface is vertical plane. Also, dA cos theta is equal to Eg. Horizontal projection of dA and hence dA H dA cos theta is the volume of the liquid containing the elementary of the area. dA up to free surface of the liquid. Thus, the integration of H dA cos theta is the total volume of contained between the curved surface extended up to free surface. Rho g integration of H dA cos theta is the total weight of the supported by the curved surface. Fy is rho g into HDA cos integration of HDA cos theta is equal to weight of liquid supported by the curve. This is weight of the liquid. This is supported by the curve up to free surface of the liquid. So 3.28 the curved surface AB. This AB is not supporting any fluid. In the such cases, Fy is equal to the weight of the imaginary liquid supported by AB up to the free surface of the liquid. The direction of Fy will be taken as upward directions. Here one example is given. So compute the horizontal and vertical components x and y of the total force acting on the curved surface AB, which is in the form of a quadrant of circle of a radius 2 meter. As shown in figure, take the width of the gate as unity. So here width of the gate is unity means 1 meter. So this radius of the gate is 2 meter is given. So distance is AO. Distance of AO is 2 meter. So then horizontal force Fx exerted by the water on the gate is given by the equation 3.17. You have to apply here the total pressure force on the projected area. A projected area of curved surface AB. This AB curved surface this AB on vertical plane is equal to total pressure force on the OB. So this OB. So vertical plane, this is OB. OB projected area of the curved surface on the vertical plane is equal to OB into 1. So then rho g H bar. So this is 1000 into 9.81 into area into H bar. 1.5 plus 2 by 2. Then H bar is depth of the CG of 1.5 plus 2 by 2. So this force is 49050 Newton. Point of applications where it is total pressure is Fx is given by H star is equal to Ig by H bar plus H bar. So Ig is moment of inertia of OB, it is Cg Vd by 12. So this is 2 by 3. Vd by 12 is 2 by 3. S star is equal to 2.5 meter. So then this to 1 by 7.5 plus 2.5 is total 2.633 meter from free surface. Vertical force Fi exerted by the water is given by the equation 3.18. So 3.18 these equations. So this then Fy is weight of the water supported by the AB up to free surface of the free surface. Weight of the portion of dA BOC, dA BOC, BOC, dA BOC. So this surface. Then weight of the DAOC plus weight of the AOB. Weight of the DAOC, weight of the DAOC, DAOC, this weight plus AOB, this weight. So weight of the DAOC plus weight of the AOB, rho g into volume of the DAOC plus volume of the AOB. So this volume is this 1 AD into YO into 1 plus pi by 4 into D square into 1. So this is the total pressure force in y direction 60249.1 Newton. So here another one is find the magnitude and direction of the resultant force due to water acting it on roller gate. This is a rolling gate. So cylindrical form of 4 meter diameter. So this when gate is placed on the dam in such a way that water is just going to spill. Take the length of the gate is 8 meter. The length of the gate is 8 meter. That this dia is 4 meter. This length is 8 meter. So here dia of the gate is 4 meter and radius is 2 meter. Then length of the gate is 8 meter. Fx acting on the gate is this Fx acting on the gate is in horizontal force. Fx is rho g h bar force at projected area of the curve surface. Then AC, this is B. So a force on vertical area of the AOB. Vertical area, this is vertical area. A force is on vertical area AOB. Area is in 4 into 8, 32 square meter. The H as bar is the CG of the AOB divided by 2 meter. Fx is this 627840 Newton. Then vertical force Fi is given by Fi is weight of the water enclosed supported actually or imaginary by curved surface of the ACB. Rho g into volume of the portion of ACB. Rho g into volume of the portion of this ACB. Then rho g into area of the ACB into L. Volume of the portion area into length. Length is 8 meter. So this area into 8 meter. So this 9810 pi by 4 into d square r square into 8. So this. So it will be acting in the upward directions. Resultant force is so fx square plus fy square. So fx square is 627840 plus fy square is this 798328 Newton. So this direction resultant force is given by the theta is Fy by Fx is equal to, so this by this Fy value divided by Fx value is equal to 0.7853. So the degree theta is 31.8, 31 degree 8 minutes. Thank you.